Hi guys, just wanted to show you that I was at Walmart and some of the groceries that I've purchased to have for the week. So let's start with the veggies and fruit. I bought fresh zucchini, lemons because I'm going to be baking, some lettuce to make salads, parsley because I was thinking of doing a bean salad, and I love fresh parsley, even in my salads. I'm going to make a stir fry, so I bought some bags of mixed veggies and, of course, bean sprouts. It'll bulk it up, and mushrooms, some cucumber, green onions, red onions, Vidalia onions, and regular onions because I like lots of flavor in my stir fries and just in my recipes, of course. Some fresh garlic, some red potatoes. Probably going to make my husband some mashed potatoes. They're his favorite, and Zoe. Fresh spinach, which I like to add to so many things. You can add it to your smoothies, to your stir fries, to your just regular salads. Okay. Also some tomatoes. I bought some green apples for a change. I love green apples and bananas. They're always good for a lot of my recipes or just as a snack. And I bought this Cajun meat because it was lower in sodium, two packages, and not as bad. They're only 300 grams for 4 slices, 35 calories. So I thought that was good. I always like to try different things. Again, this is from Walmart. I bought some salmon steaks because I was thinking of a Thai flavored using some coconut milk that I bought, almond coconut milk. I'm going to try something different. Of course, I'll do a YouTube video, of course. And some unsweetened almond milk that I use in a lot of my recipes as well. I bought some shrimp. And you see that I have the chickpeas and the 6 bean medley. The great thing about the chickpeas is you can see there's no salt added, the ones at Walmart. So I like buying that brand. You can use whatever brand, just rinse it off. Some frozen vegetables that I like to throw in if I'm making rice, cauliflower rice, regular rice. And you can just add it to a lot of your recipes as well. Sour cream, because I just love sour cream, and I always buy the full fat sour cream. And some almonds for my recipes, but I like to have them on hand to toast and to just add to my cereals. It's great in my granola and a lot of my baking. A huge bag of sliced frozen strawberries I like to keep in the freezer, and peaches that I was out of, frozen peaches. They stay well and for a long time. And again, for a lot of my recipes, I like to just have it with some yogurt in the morning with some of my granola, or just like that. I'll have a small bowl of it, everything in moderation, just a cup. Of course, I love my Yogo yogurt, and it comes in different flavors. So this one is the strawberry, fieldberry, cherry, and raspberry. Ultralight Cool Whip, because I found these cute little ice cream cones. So I checked the nutritional value, and for 3 of them, it's going to come out to 0 points. You can have 3 of these babies. And how fun will that be to put different things in it? You can use yogurt. I'm going to come up with some recipes, and I bought this. I know it's a huge container. It's usually smaller, but for 2.5 tablespoons, it's only 2 smart points if you have a sweet tooth like me. And I thought that would be really good to add to this with some almonds and some frozen fruit. We could make our own ice cream cones, right? There you go. There's one of my recipes. So I hope this is helpful for you guys that are on your journey, that you need to be prepared. You need to have stuff in your house. You need to shop. You need to have things chopped up and ready to go. All right. And keep things in the freezer, extra things so that you have, if you're like me and you're impulsive sometimes, but try to plan and figure out what you're going to have. Okay. You don't have to buy everything I buy, but I just wanted to show you that I like to be prepared so that it sets me up for success. And we all want to be successful. Don't mind my drawer, my messy drawer, on our journey, right? Even if you're maintaining like myself, this is for life, okay, people? So I hope you remember that. Continue to subscribe, share, tell your Weight Watchers peeps or anybody on a health journey to visit me at Risa at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. I changed the name a few months ago. All right. Love you guys. Take care.